Any sound in the night here make me scary, dude. I wake up at 10 p.m. in the night because so many sound of the animals here make me scary, dude. You see this? I can't see the star in the sky, dude. Oh, it's pretty big raining. So guys, I want to make my shelter here. Small teeny house for me. I need to find the food. Wood, yeah. To make the thing to put these things on it. Alright guys, my camp is almost done and the raining is nearly coming. It's really coming soon. You can see the cloud behind me. Yeah, the raining is already there. It's coming soon, so I need to hurry up to prepare to make my camp ready and make sure have no water to go inside and come to inside my camp, because I wanna sleep here for tonight. So I need to put more things on the top of my camp, and yeah, need to go find around again, maybe banana tree or something like that. And guys, this is my camps look like. So I need to go sleep here. This is not that long enough, but I can put my hold my body inside here.
It's a really
And,
big raining here.
Soon later,
I don't know if
I'm gonna make a fire here.
my camp can survive
because
for tonight.
I don't bring anything.
Look at that.
I didn't
Oh
bring
my
a blanket
God.
for camping this time.
But hopefully
Bring this
this
and a
raining
lighter
stops
and hold my cameras
very
and
soon.
small things. So
Woo.
my camp is almost done. It's 90% ready, and the raining is already coming now, and I need to prepare more to keep my camp safety, yeah, and save me also from the animals, because so many dangerous animals here. So yeah, hopefully I like it this time. Now it's raining, it's over, and my camp is ready, and the fire, everything is ready. View after raining, it's so clear. The cloud is already gone, and the raining is already stopped, and my fire is on you. Alright guys, thank you so much already watched this video. If you like this video, click like and comment, and if you new to come this channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification, because I want to upload more the video tomorrow, day after tomorrow. I will let you know in the post every day. I always update every day. And yeah, I'm so sorry because yeah, my camping days just like this, because I'm not prepared that much. I'm not bringing so many things like camping gear like other people, you know, because yeah, I want to survive like just by myself. I just bring myself here in the jungle. And thank you so much. This is the time to go to the bed right now because I'm so tired and so dirty because I'm not getting shower all day. And yeah, my clothes also getting wet a little bit, so I'm gonna have sleep right now and see you guys tomorrow.